In my last 3 videos, I taught you a trick to selling more lawn care and landscaping work in less time and with less aggravation. It was by using a new innovative tool called using personalized sales video. Instead of slinging out proposals and seeing what sticks to the wall, I encourage you to try out this new tool. So if you haven't had a chance to watch the videos in this series, pause right now and go down to the description and click the link to start the playlist from the beginning. But to those of you that subscribe to the channel, have watched those videos, follow me on LinkedIn, or subscribe to the Landscape Leadership blog, today, as promised, I'm going to give you some real life sales situations to help you close more lawn care and landscaping work in less time using personalized video. Stay tuned. Hey, what's up? It's Chad with Landscape Leadership. We help dozens of mid-sized lawn care and landscaping companies generate a ton of leads for their sales teams and turn those leads into more paying customers. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you get new videos when they get released. Also, check out the description below because I have additional resources and bonus materials that you're going to want to check out. So let's get started. Practical and tactical. That's what today's video is going to be like. I am going to take you outside and show you some actual lawn care, landscaping, tree care, pest control situations where you can use personalized video to close prospects and upsell customers with greater ease. Let's go. So I'm sure a lot of you who offer plant health care or tree and shrub care programs are very frustrated because homeowners don't typically care until something's dead or dying on their property. So this is a great opportunity to use personalized video, find a tree and shrub on the property that is dying. Maybe some of the twigs are already dropping off from an advanced stage of disease, and offer up a suggested service that might be able to help with that problem. Maybe you're trying to sell lawn care programs, or maybe the person's lawn care program that you're working with isn't aggressive enough. So maybe you're looking at a situation like this with a thin bank that's full of oxalis, and you're trying to show your prospective customer that there really is something you could do about that. You might have a pretty powerful opportunity to show them a before and after shot of one of your customers' lawns that had the same problem that you helped fix. Or maybe you're trying to convince your prospective customer or active customer that they need mosquito control services. It might be a little bit more easy for them to understand where those mosquitoes are hiding out at night when they come out to sit on their patio, and that could make for a very compelling proposal when you leave it on their front door. We all know that homeowners are extremely busy. It could be they don't even really understand the potential of just how messy their landscape is. So if you're trying to give a proposal for landscape maintenance, you can create a personalized video pointing out some of these problems in maybe some areas of their property that they haven't looked at for quite some time. Do you have a customer with an older irrigation system? You could record a mini demo for your prospect and show them some practical reasons why they should consider a system upgrade. Personalized sales videos also work really well for enhancements to landscape plantings. Maybe there's spots in the beds that are kind of boring and need to be filled in with a little bit more texture or color, or there could be shrubs in the landscape that have outgrown their space and are encroaching upon structures that might need a replacement. Maybe when you worked with your customer years ago and installed their paver patio, they didn't have enough money to do other elements on their landscape design master plan. Possibly stopping by the property to see how things are going and pointing out to them, hey, if you're ready now to do this concrete walkway in a similar paver material, we should talk. Might just be the nudge they need to start that additional project. Also, don't underestimate how you can use personalized sales videos to actually communicate to your customer that you're taking care of them, checking on their property, but also doing a little value-added services once in a while. Maybe you just see one of these pieces of a shrub that maybe just needs a little bit of hand pruning or a weed that needs to be pulled. That can go a long way in developing a great customer relationship. You may choose to pre-record some video segments that are just really powerful. They might not be exactly personalized, so you might have to splice them together with an intro that actually uses your prospect or customer's name, but imagine the power of these videos. Say you're trying to sell a privacy screen. You planted a group of green giant arborvitaes on a customer's property 4 or 5 years ago. You go out, you shoot a little video to show them what it's like and how big they've gotten. And then all of a sudden you have a personalized intro that you splice together with stock footage that you've pre-recorded, and you have just a really great example about where you could take this prospective customer in years from now. You might have a video library of all different types of things like this, showing them different types of products, hardscape materials, you name it. But these are really great assets that you can combine together for just a really, really powerful message. And these are just a couple of ideas that I came up with off the top of my head. I'm sure that you can come up with so many more. Are you ready? Are you ready to use personalized video in your lawn care and landscaping sales process? Tell me below where you think you're going to get started. Again, this is super powerful. It will help you to close more lawn care and landscaping work in less time. Thanks for watching. Keep me posted on how personalized sales videos are going for you in your sales process. Have a really great day.